Hello everybody, welcome to your first Python tutorial. I'm Justin from Comax Gaming and I'm going to show you how to download Python so that in the next tutorial we can actually start coding. So first open up any browser and go to python.org. Now, on the left side you'll see we have about, news, documentation, download, blah blah blah. We want download. And we get to this page. And you see that there's two main sections. There's the Python 3 point whatever and the Python 2 point whatever. We do not want the 2 point whatever because that's old Python. That's for if you need to work on code like that we haven't, not the latest and greatest code basically. That's for our projects that have already started in Python like a long time ago. So you see here, if you don't know which version to use Python 3.3. So we're going to download Python 3.3, and if you're on Mac, if you're on Windows, you can click here, 64-bit, 32-bit, 64-bit Mac, blah, 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 all that, Linux. So you just click on that, it's a nice and easy installer, and click next, next, accept, all that. And then once that's done, it'll put a folder, either in your all programs or applications, depending on whatever operating system you're on, that has something called idle in it. And it'll look like something like this when you open it. And it'll say your Python version right here, Python 3.3 point whatever. And to test that this actually is working and you've installed it correctly, what you can do is you can type print and then a space and a quotation mark and then whatever you want in here. This can be anything. So we have print space hello world. Now, once you press enter, it should give you this syntax error thing. It'll say syntax error, invalid syntax, blah, 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 scary red text. And you're like, Justin, why did you make me type this if it's just going to give me a syntax error? Why are you setting me up for failure? Well, I'm doing it for your own safety. Just kidding. But I wanted to make sure that you had the right version of Python installed, because in Python 2 point whatever, this was valid syntax. So the way that you do this in Python 3 is like this. And keep in mind that this can be anything you want, so just to prove it to you, I'll do that. What we do in Python 3 is print, and then a parenthesis, and then quotation marks, blah, 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 and then another parenthesis. Make sure you have both parentheses and both quotation marks. And now when you press enter, you should get whatever you typed within the parentheses, within the quotation marks, sorry, right here, not including the quotation marks. So that's a cool little thing to do that makes sure it works. We can also do things like 1 plus 1 and like 8 times 8, little math things. But that's not really programming. So in the next tutorial, I'll show you how we can actually make a file and we can run it and awesomeness will happen. So I'll see you next time.